Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students should be able to pronounce and match spoken words with the written words, articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to listen and respond to more commands, identify title and table of contents of a book, identify and match some pairs of describing words showing quality, size, and color. For example, soft hand, big, small, black, white. Identify and use words showing possession. For example, my, your, his, her, our, their, and its. Recognize that a sentence ends with some form of punctuation, that is, full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Fill in the missing information to complete a simple paragraph. Complete a story with the given words. Demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group and take turns. Write a few sentences to describe a picture and a series of pictures.